Quitting that work is gonna pay off, man.
He made 20K, 20 plus?
Like 22K.
22K just yesterday, bro. I'm on my 20K journey. He made 22 just yesterday. That's motivation, bro. I'm not as successful as these people, but
Nah, we're gonna get
one day we gonna get there. He gonna get there in a couple months. It might take me a few months, few years. I'm gonna eventually get there. I don't even want this shit. I ain't gonna lie. I want a Lambo Urus. I'm gonna have a purple Urus with some black rims. Stupid. Look at his shit. He got the vet. Corvette. How about it just like that? This is motivation, chat. This is motivation. Yo, Marlon got me saying chat, bro. This dude got me saying chat. Tough. That's the main reason why I came to Utah, bro. Bro, this dude, what's it?
Dayton.
He made 20K, 20 plus?
Yeah, I think on the day was like 22K.
22K just yesterday, bro. I'm on my 20K journey. He made 22 just yesterday. That's motivation, dog. That's motivation, bro. That's why I'm here, bro. Yo, he better put me onto the strategy, so y'all with me.
All right, rule number one for me. This is what I do. My strategy: under at least 1 million shares of volume. Okay. So I'll say 1 mil volume.
I'm happy to sit in class.
And then free float. Free float is just like random shares that's already in the company. People own that amount. So whatever the float is, that's how many. That's just like free equity that can just be used to move the stock whenever. Okay. I want that under 20 million.
Under 20 million? Okay.
At the 20 million, the most. I don't even, honestly 10, but 20 million is the most. I would say I prefer.
I would, but I don't know how. This is my roommate this summer. I should have got.
No, but just think about it. You woke up and he's like, yo, I just made 20K.
I woke up from like.
Yeah, okay, so.
No, I didn't sleep from a nap.
Yeah.
And he woke me up to. Yeah, someone just knocked on the door. Also, I made 22 bucks. Like, shut up! I'm trying to buy some Clash or something.
Personally, I do best in between like $2 stocks. I mean, then like $1 to like $30 stocks. I really don't go past 30 bucks. Leading gainers, it gotta be obvious. So like, you use a screener? No. Best friend. No. Weeble gets free screeners. Yeah. Okay, I got Weeble. In your screeners, you can put all of this in there, and it will literally pick out stocks in the market. So like, I'll be sitting there waiting for, like, I'll look at top gainers to see like what's going on. But if one of mine, like that goes under this, pops up, eyes on it, and I don't take my eyes off of it. I used to trade under $2, like when I was like when I started like 20 bucks. Yeah. Cause because like you can, but when you full board, you get so much more value out of it. Because if you don't, then like you trading a $20 like trading a $20 stock with only $20. Say you only get a $6 move. I mean, if you have $20 and trade with a $1 stock, if it goes up 10 cents, that's $2. Yeah. So imagine it goes up $1. You just made $20. Yeah. So like I started off small. I'm not going past 30. Like 20 leading gainer, 2.230. And news is number one. Okay. I should have wrote that first. Now in my strategy, I do dip trades. What is yours?
Dip trades. That's all you do? Dip trades?
Dip trades and like I'll do dip trades and that's it.
I shoot for fair value gaps.
Okay, yeah, I got you. Liquidity sweeps.
Support resistance. Those are like my main things.
Okay. I say in that form, I don't know much about it. However, you're kind of similar to dip trades. Just because like you prefer longs or shorts, or does it even matter?
It don't matter.
Yeah, I'll say if you do it, yeah, I would say.
Yeah, I trade both ways. You can't just make money going one way, you know?
See, I do. Dip trades. Yeah, I only take longs. I never take shorts.
Wow, okay. So you wait for it to hit rock bottom?
Not necessarily. Okay. So say we have I'll do a quick drawing. So we got a stock right here. Say we got a candle right here. We'll start off with a doji, and we got a little long piece right here. Say that big green. and then we got another one right here. Now, say we got a doji right here. That's an indicator it's about to go down. With that being said, say it does go down. It goes down. It goes down again. And then I buy if I see your level of resistance right here, trying to keep it from going down.
Yeah.
That's
you
where
know
I
the
buy
buyers
in.
is right there.
Yeah, that's where I buy in, and then we're gonna go back up again.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
looking for a new. Now I'm looking for it to go back up and to break this old high that it set.
Yes.
Now that's how I pace mine. Or if I know it's not gonna break the high today, I probably won't even trade it.
Now that's my issue, right? So I would see something like this. I would see the buyers coming into the market, but then I'm like, fuck, what if it doesn't reach the high of the day?
Yeah.
So
If it doesn't, so okay. That's the point. That's how you follow your strategy. Because your strategy, if it does break high today break, just follow your strategy every single day. Because regardless, if you know your strategy is profitable, just do it. It's not.
So say for you, when you enter, right, do you enter like immediately? Or do you enter once it breaks down?
No. If I saw it come down right here, I'm waiting. I would probably wait for like another doji candle, and then probably like it'll probably go down another tick. It might go down another tick, because sometimes that does happen. Sometimes this is the level of resistance and it needs to break through, because there's equilibrium as well.
Yeah.
So like when I look at this, I check the low and I check the high. If the low's like $1, the high's gonna be like $5. Equilibrium's $3. So I want it to drop below $3. I'm gonna trade between that $1 and $3 range. And then check for levels of resistance in between there. If there's a level of resistance, the lower it is, the better. I want that lower resistance as low as possible. Once I get in, I know it's only
It's just going. Okay.
And then the reason why I used to trade like under $2 stocks, because like stocks that are like 90 cents going past $1 almost never drop back below $1. So as soon as you enter in at that $1, every single like it's just gonna go up. It's just free bread. So that's how I started.
How do you? Is that just something that you realize?
Yeah.
Over time.
Yeah. I would say like I realized that probably because I started trading November last year, and then I probably realized that May. I realized that in May.
Wow.
Yeah.
Shit, when I started my journey. He unlocked the key when I started my journey. Okay.
Unlocking the keys isn't the hard part. Sticking to the idea of locking, like, to what you do once you figure that out is the hard part. Keeping your emotions under control, making sure when you do lose, it's not your fault. Whatever you do, make sure it is not your fault.
Yeah.
Make sure it is, because that's just what the market is.
It's just the market.
Because, like, I'm not gonna lie, I had some fat losses. I lost, I think my biggest loss, I lost $4,000. 4.6. Oh, that didn't feel good. But I was like, it wasn't my fault. Well, it kind of was.
In that trade that you lost $4,000, what do you feel like you could have done better?
What happened with that trade was, that trade sucked. Okay. So it went up. It started going up, and then this is exactly what happened. I actually do remember. My prediction was off by 1 cent, so it didn't hit my stop profit. I mean my take profit. It got 1 cent right below it and dumped. And I was like. And my issue was, I knew I was 1 cent above. And I was like, bro, I mean, it'll go through it anyways. It'll go through it anyways.
Yeah.
No, it didn't.
No.
Should have stuck to my plan.
So what happened? Was it like, once it reached that like 1 cent off, there was like so much resistance? Or like it was just like an instant?
Instant. It was pretty instant.
Oh, shit.
My biggest losses are instant.
So I see why you say it's not too much on your fault, because that's crazy. For the market to just increase, and that was Nvidia yesterday. No, 2 days ago. I was in a long, and then out of nowhere I seen SPY decreasing. So I'm like, Nvidia is gonna decrease soon, but Nvidia, it was on the run.
Okay.
Out of nowhere, boom, drop crazy. I'm like,
It sucks.
what the?
I remember one time I was in my friend's crib, and I was in the middle of a trade, and then they started talking to me, and I was like, wow, I'm up so much right now. And I was like, should I take profit? And then they catch my attention, and then they're like, okay, I'm about to leave. I look back at my computer. was still hurt. I was pissed for the rest of the day. I was like, bro, I'm never talking to her again. Like, I was ready to cut her off, but like, I lost. I didn't. It wasn't a big loss, but it was the fact that I lost.
Yeah.
Because like I was already up so
Everybody
much.
hates losing.
Yeah.
Especially when you up.
Yeah.
That's
Bro,
the
being
worst.
up and then losing. Oh, that's the worst.
It's fucking terrible. That's why like sometimes when that happens, I have post-its. I write the word greed. I'm like, the word of the day is greed. I put it on my wall. I'm like, anytime I'm trading, I look at that. Yo, let me just take profit. Let me just take profit.
See, for me, what I did to teach myself to like to take profit, because you have to teach yourself to take profit and to stop your like loss.
Yes.
Some niggas don't want to. Some niggas don't like a stop profit. I was one of those niggas.
Okay.
I was one of them.
I don't like the stop loss. I'll be like, yo,
You need to-
I purposely choose like a 3-week expiration. So if it goes past my stop loss, because I don't use TradingView.
Okay.
I've
seen it.
Okay,
but, like,
so I use TradingView to chart, and I use Robinhood to execute my orders.
Okay.
So TradingView, I set my stop loss, like a mental stop loss. But once it goes past, I'm like, yo, I got 3 weeks. It's gonna bounce back.
See, I was doing the same thing. It doesn't bounce back.
Yeah.
Just cut it. Just cut it out. It doesn't bounce back.
No, but I'm not gonna lie. Like these past few days, it's not a good thing for me to do. But I've held it, and it has bounced back.
And that's the good thing, and it does. But what I've learned from there, because I'm a dip trader, I wasn't patient enough for me to wait on my entry. So that's what I learned, because I dip trade. So like usually, because there are some stocks when it hits my stop, I hit my stop loss, and then shoot up. And I'm like, bro, like, if I didn't have a stop loss, I would have. But if I waited a little bit longer, got in when it was lower, I wouldn't have to worry about that, and I would have had more profit.
Yeah, but then it's like you never know when is the right time to hop in. Like it's like you just can't predict this shit.
You build that conviction. I mean, it's volume. It's volume with trading. I mean, I spend probably like 4 hours at least
on the charts every day.
Yeah. So like usually wake up at like 7 in the morning with God. Now I'm on the charts.
That's fine.
Yeah, that's how it is.
Yo, I'm about to sign out. My guy, I appreciate you spitting some sauce for the vlog. And my guy too.
We finna be up together. We finna be up together.
Yeah, we finna be up. I got your Instagram, right?
I give it to you.
Okay. I go, yeah.